Hello and welcome. My name is Maksim Kharitonov and I am the founder and lead expert at the Human Rights, an international agency that prepares expert witness reports for asylum cases worldwide. We specialize in human rights-based risk assessment, covering all 5 grounds under the Refugee Convention, including political opinion, religion, ethnicity, membership of a particular social group, and nationality. Our reports are trusted by lawyers, courts, and immigration authorities in the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, and across Europe. Today, I will focus on Bolivia and the types of risks that lead many of its citizens to seek asylum in the UK and the US. Bolivia has experienced political unrest, social division, and heavy-handed state responses to protest and dissent in recent years. Following contested elections and mass demonstrations, authorities have carried out arbitrary arrests, excessive use of force, and criminal charges against opposition supporters, activists, and indigenous protesters. Security forces have been implicated in human rights abuses, including torture, unlawful detentions, and deaths during political operations. Accountability remains limited, and those who criticize the government, whether current or former, often face reprisals. Indigenous people and rural communities experience long-standing discrimination, lack of access to justice, and targeted violence when defending land rights or opposing extractive industries. State institutions often fail to investigate crimes against these groups, and local officials may be complicit in abuses. Gender-based violence is widespread in Bolivia, which has one of the highest rates of femicide in Latin America. Survivors of sexual or domestic violence frequently encounter stigma, weak protection measures, and impunity for perpetrators. LGBT individuals face discrimination, harassment, and violence, particularly outside urban centers. While Bolivia has formal protections for LGBT rights, enforcement is inconsistent, and many people face abuse from police or within their own communities. Returnees who were politically active abroad, applied for asylum, or belong to targeted social groups may face renewed threats, surveillance, or retaliation, especially in regions with tense political dynamics. So how do we prepare expert witness reports? We start with a full review of the case materials, including personal statements, supporting documents, and any previous decisions. Then we move on to in-depth research using both international and local credible sources. We combine real-time data with our knowledge of legal systems, government practices, and the specific patterns of abuse in each region. Each report is written by a dedicated country expert and reviewed by our team of legal researchers and analysts to make sure everything is clear, accurate, and relevant to the case. The final report is prepared to meet the standards of the immigration system and courts in the country where the asylum claim is made, whether that's the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, or any country in Europe. We also use proper legal referencing, so every fact is backed by clear and trusted sources. If you're working on an asylum case right now and you want to strengthen it with solid expert evidence, just get in touch with us today. It's really easy. Just head to our website. The link is in the video description. You can also scan the QR code on your screen or email us directly at info@thehuman-rights.com. And when you reach out, you'll receive a sample report, the expert's CV, and a free consultation. We respond to all inquiries within 1 hour and deliver each report within 1 week. We also work at the minimum rate accepted under legal aid, so our services are accessible even for publicly funded cases. Our team is ready to prepare expert reports for countries across the globe. You can find the full list of regions we cover right there on our website. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to supporting your next asylum case with the clarity, credibility, and professionalism you or your clients deserve.